Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a random productive day in the life. I upload something to get you motivated for the week ahead. Sometimes it's a lot of things mixed into one, like life selling, cooking, cleaning, organizing, mom life, home makeover. You name it, we're doing it. Happy Sunday! Okay, for the beefsteak Pinoy style, these are the ingredients we need. 5 chopped garlic, 2 yellow onions, sliced like a ring, calamansi juice, baguio beans, sliced diagonally, and beef tenderloin. And then I will give you some tips on how to soften meat. Tips 101. Regardless of the method you use, ensure the meat is at room temperature before you begin, because you can tenderize frozen or partially frozen meat. Try one of these methods before grilling or cooking your meat. Tip number 1, marinating. Tip number 2, pounding. Tip number 3, salting. And tip number 4, slow cook. For this recipe, what I did was pounding the beef. Use a meat mallet to pound out the meat thinner, which will allow for a super quick cook time and help prevent the meat from toughness. Use the pointy side for tenderizing. For this recipe, you can watch the full video on my other channel. Check out Mami Chow Lifestyle and you will learn different dishes that you can cook for your family. And baby food recipes as well. I'll just put the link in the description box below. While Hunter was busy playing in his crib, I was busy washing the dishes too. But after 15 minutes, he started crying. So I carried him while washing the dishes. Hello, scoliosis. Okay ka pa ba dyan? I think Hunter is 10 or 11 kilograms now. He's too heavy. Next, we're moving on to what I call my mini condiments shelf / mini pantry or kitchen shelf / lagayan ng sausawan. It's up to you what you wanna call it. Basta kami dito sa bahay, nagkakaintindihan kami dyan. Please excuse the small hole on the side. That's my next project. You know very well when there is a cook living in the house, because normal people only add soy sauce, vinegar, fish sauce, salt and pepper to their food. But here in our house, there are so many condiments. This is our morning routine with Hunter. After he has breakfast, we will go up to the bedroom so he can play and watch Cocomelon. Then, he will sleep again around 10:30 a.m. That's my time to clean our room. But now I have to fold everything that is hanging here because I already sold this clothes hanger when I did live selling the other day. And for 100 pesos, nabili yan agad-agad. After I took off the clothes hanger, I also cleaned our room. Then I moved our bed. Now the bedroom are more spacious and the more space for baby to scatter toys. I'm in a hurry to clean up because Norman and Kurt will be leaving for a while to get Kurt vaccinated.
Pfizer po, 0.3.
Saan?
Kaya malalim.
Wala pa sila sa loob. O, nakapicture.
Ay, nako.
Surprise! Ang dami kong tutupin. Now I can fold the clothes that have been laundered. It's hard to fold clothes when there is a naughty baby scattering toys in the bedroom. Nako. I just finished folding when my baby fell asleep. It's probably about 12 midnight. Pak! Ang linis na naman ng cabinet. Ang ganda ng pagkakatupi ko dyan. Sana naman, hindi siya magulo bukas. I hope you all guys enjoyed, and I hope this video became your motivation for you to work harder to organize your house. See you in my next video. Don't forget to watch my Clean With Me video and baby's Shopee haul. Bye!
And now I'm when I fall. When I Ang lamig ng boses ko, no? Katulog nga si Hunter, sobrang lamig eh. Ano? Diba? Tulog. Kahit anong ingay ko, hindi nagigising yan. I'm afraid to fly. And I don't know why.